Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can set different status messages in Microsoft Teams using different ways. But before we move to the video, here is a short intro. Right now, I am in my Microsoft Teams with the developer account. As you can see, I am logging with Sigur the way developer account, and to set the custom status messages or set the messages, we can click on this link which says as set status message. When I click on the set status message link, it will show me this type of view where I can mention someone in my status, or I can click this checkbox which will say show this message when people message me. As you see, your status message will show about the compose message bar when someone message try to add some message to me. So let's say I add some message says I am not available today. Yes, I am not available today due to an emergency. So once I write this message, click this checkbox, and I can set the status when this message should be cleared. So what time it will clear, I can say never, I can say after 1 hour, 4 hour, or after today, or I can have this week value in that particular for this message, or I can have some custom timing. So whenever this message should be cleared after, I can select some specific timing. For example, today is December 20, 12th of December. I can say like, okay, today it should be cleared after this time. Let's say I am making this available for today, so I am out for the day. So as you see, there is one message, your status message is showing in chat and channels when people message at the rate mentions you until 11:59 p.m. today. Okay, so now let me go and log in with my another user, which is Pratik Chotai. Okay, so let me just go and open that. Yeah, so as you can see, I am in my another user's account. So when I'm trying to add, when Pratik is trying to add some message to me, as you can see, there is a status message available, like I am not available today due to an emergency. Okay, so yes. So if I go and try to edit the message, I can click on that and edit in here if I want to add something, or I can click and send it from here as well. So this is an out of office checkbox, or you can see a dialog from here as well. I can add that message. Out of office message, not available today. Whenever someone replies me, I can send this message to them during the time period. I can decide like from which time I want to do this. Let's see, yeah, so let me resolve, and if I hit save, so if someone tries to message me during that time, then they will receive that message. So now there are two things. One is I'm available, and I'm out of office. So now if I go in Pratik's account, and if I try to send something to him, let's say Sigur the way, I am not available today due to an emergency. That's correct. I am having the out of Sigur the way status is out of office. But if I go and check my status, as you can see, the there is a message like Sigur is out of office, available but out of office, not available today. That is one message I have added, and I am not available due to an emergency. That is the message which I have already added before, right? So this is the way how we can have the different status messages set for ourselves, so that the other users will notify or understand how we can have the messages set. This is the another way from where I can set the messages by clicking on the settings, then that out of office page. It will also redirect me to the same interface from where I can set the message for my user. I can turn on or off the messages for my out of office status. For example, I am not available today due to an emergency, then I can save it from there. Okay, so this is how we can have these things available. This is how out of office the message will be displayed. And whenever user is trying to provide some message to me, they will see this notification on the compose bar. How to delete these things or how to edit this message, there are different ways to do is we can do the reset status, so that will reset my status to the default one, like what should be my default status, and I can reset it after some time, or else what I can do is just clicking on that reset status will reset it. Okay, yeah, it will take some time. And the other thing is I can just go and uh, delete this particular message. For example, I am not now out of office or I am available, and then I can add the message there. Right, so now everything is cleared. I can turn off these automatic replies for my users. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can add comments or any of your doubts or queries in the comment section, and I will try to reply them at the earliest. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications for every newly uploaded video.